Okay, so number 17, a race starts at 9 a.m. Carlos crosses the finish line 4.25 hours later. Write the time when Carlos crosses the finish line. So here we have 4 hours plus 0.25 hours, right? 4 hours is direct, and this 0.25 hours, it is 1/4 of the 1/4 of the 60 minutes, right? So it is 15 minutes. So the it finishes after 4 hour and 15 minutes. So 9 plus 4 hour and 15 minutes. After 9 it is 10, 11, 12, and then again 1 hour and 15 minutes. So our final answer is going to be 1:15 p.m. Okay. Now next is draw a ring around each number that rounds to 5 when rounded to the nearest tenth. So tenth is going to be like this place here. We will, if we round this one here to this is going to become 4.5, and if we round this is 5.5, and this one is going to be 5.0, this is going to be 5.1, and no 5 point, yeah, so this is 5.0, this is 4.6. so we are looking for the numbers that we can round here. So it is this one and 4.95. Now Gabriela wants to find out if the children in class R have a greater number of pets than the children in class S. So she is comparing class R and class S. She asks each child, what pet do you have? She asks, what pet do you have, right? This is the question. Explain one disadvantage of Gabriela's question. So we can say the answer is very specific. She has not asked about like how many, she just asked the pet. That is not going to explain that she is looking for the number of pets. So what pets do you have is going to give you the answer either cat or dog, but doesn't say how many numbers. So how many, what is the disadvantage? We can say the answer to this question is the name of the pet. The answer to this question is the name of the pet. Not the number of pets. Right. So that is the disadvantage. She could have asked like how many pets do you have, that will give the straight answer. Now number 20, a teacher wants to know if there is a connection between the number of books and that child reads and their English test score. He asked some children how many books they read each year, right? The number of books each year. He recorded the English test scores also. Then he creates a scatter diagram for this data of the collection. You see number of books read and English test score. This side we have test score and this side number of books. So Ahmed reads 30 books and scores 35 on English test. Plot this point. We need to plot 30 books. 30 books are here on this side, right? And then the score is on the other side. So 30 will go along this. This is 30 here up to 35. 35 is here. So the point is going to be this one here. Okay, 1 mark. Then complete the sentence. The data shows as the number of books read in the year increases, the English test score tends to increase. If you see all the points going upward, as the number of books reading is increasing, the test score is also increasing. So it will write here tends to increase again. Number 21, draw a line to match the values with the correct digit in the number this. Okay, so 500th, 100th is here, this is tenths place, 100th place, 1000th place, right, like this. So 500, it is THS, so it is going to go after the decimal. So this is the 100th place here, this one. Okay. then 5 tens, tens here, this is ones, tens, hundreds, then this is thousands, right. So, tens place is this, the second one, right. 5 ones is this one here, thousands is this one. An orange costs 60 cents, an apple costs 50% less. Calculate the price of an apple, right. So, what we can do, 15% of 60. First of all, we will find out 15% of 60, which is 15 over 100 times 60. So, this is going to be, this 0 is gone, 5 times 6 it is 90 over 10 it is 9, right. But the question is price of an apple. So, a price of apple is going to be, apple price is going to be 60 was the apple, sorry, orange cost minus 9 because it is less. So, 51. So, final answer is 51. So, one way is this one, or you can directly do here when it is 15% less. So, that means we are taking 100 out of 15 out of 100, that is 85. So, 85% of the cost of orange. So, apple's cost is going to be here, apple cost is going to be 85% of 60, right. So, then this is 85 over 100 times 60. So, you just calculate 8 times 5 is 30. So, it is 510, we have 10 down here, it is gone. So, again we got 50, right. So, now number 23 we have, here is a data, here is the set, battery is going, I have to put the battery on. Here is the set, data set 3 to 5, 5, 7 and 8 and 9. Draw a line to the correct number of to complete each sentence, right. So, now we need to see which one is mode and which one is here median and mean and the range, right. So, now if you see the to find out the mode, what is mode? Mode is the number that occurs maximum number of times, right. So, then we will have sorry guys, I have to put this on battery. So, we have the number 355, which one is repeating the most? We have the number 5 is the repetitive number. So, that means this is the mode. So, mode is 5 and median is the middle number, right. So, median, if you see, they are already in order. If I cross out this one, this the last and the second last. So, we again left with the 5. So, median is also 5, right. And the mean we add all the numbers. So, when you add all the numbers here, we have 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7, 8 and 9 divided by, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, this is 42 over 7, it is 6. So, this is 6, right. And the range is maximum number minus minimum, 8, 9 minus 3, it is 6. So, this is the range here, okay. So, that is it. And then let us see number 24 we have here. Here is the grid of squares. If you see, we have a grid of the squares here. Draw a quadrilateral with an exactly one line of symmetry. So, we can just draw a trapezium actually, that gives exactly one line of symmetry. If I draw like this, so it has one line of symmetry in the middle here. Okay. So, you can let me know in the comment section what shape, other shape you can draw with one line of symmetry. So, let us see how many of you get another shape than the trapezium. And so, we have number 25. Eva has some $2 notes and some $5 notes. She keeps them in two separate envelopes. So, this is $2 note, this is $5 note. A represents the total number of amount of 2. This represents A and B represents the $2 notes. A plus B. So, total amount is 25. Write a possible pair for A and B. As you can see, this is multiple of 5. So, it will be easier if we take the multiple of 5. If we have, let us say, $10 here, and we have how many, let us say 15, yeah, then it will make 25. So, let us see if it works. So, if she has $2 note, yeah, it can work. So, $2 times 5, it will make 10, and 5 times 3, it will make 15. So, we can write down here. So, A can have 10 and B can have $15, right. Now, number 26, complete the table. We have here 4 and 10, and then second one is missing, is common factor, common multiple. So, common factor is 5, common factor of 4 and 10 is 2, which divides both of them, 2 times 2, 2 times 5, right. Common multiple, if you take the multiple is a multiple of 4 are 4, 8, you can just write the table here, 16, 20, 24, etc. And then for 10 we have 10, 20, 30 like this. So, common is here 20. So, that is 20. Now, same here, if you see, we can have like 5 and 10 is the common factor. So, but and 30 is also coming in 5 and 10. So, we can write here 5 and 10. Number 27, here is a coordinate grid. You can see plot A, B, C, 3 vertices of the points A, B, C are 3 vertices of the parallelogram. Point D completes it. Then write the possible coordinates of D. Okay. So, if you join, that will be make your work easier. If you join this here, right. So, you see your point should come here to make it a parallelogram. So, point D is here, which has the coordinate as 0 and 1. So, it is 0 and 1, right. Now, number 28, here is a graph which shows the temperature in Quito during part of the day. So, this is the graph. Write the number of hours it takes for temperature to decrease from 7 to 0. So, 7 is here, right. So, this is 7 and 0 is here up to this point is 0, this is 7. So, we are looking for the hours. So, it is so that if you come down here, so this is 12, and if you come down here, this is 20. So, 20 minus 12, that is 8, 20 minus 12, that is 8 hours. Okay. Now, Naomi says that Naomi makes a spinner. She uses numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. We have these conditions here, and I think we need to complete a spinner. Yeah, write the number 1, 2, 3, 4 in the box on the spinner to make the statement correct. Okay. So, we will go one by one for the conditions here. 1 and 2 are equally likely. So, whatever is the probability of 1, that is the probability of, so let us say 1 and let us say it is 2, it is coming once, right. 3 is most likely. So, 3 should appear more than once, right. Let us say it is twice. 4 is the least likely is 4. So, if I make this 2 times, right, 1 and 1. So, 1, 1, 2, 2. 3 should come, if they are coming twice, 3 should come at least 3 times. So, 1, 2, 3, then we are left with only 1 for the space for the 4, right. That is how you will complete it. Now, number 30, here are two shapes. If you see, there are two shapes, one is triangle, another one is a circle. Each shape represents two numbers between 1 and 10. So, numbers are between 1 and 10. Yuri writes the statement and then its answer is 27. If you add, write the values. Okay. So, now you see this is 27. So, if I write here 9, it will make 27. So, I can take less than 9, let us say this is 8 and 8, 8 and 8 it's 20, 8 times 3 is 24 and then plus 3 will make it 27. So, this will work. We can have 8 and 3. You can have other number also. Let us say if you take here is 7 and 7. So, 7 times 3 is 21 plus 6 will make 20 this. So, you may have any of these answers, but the condition is they should be between 1 and 10. It should not exceed there. Okay. Now, number 31, here are 5 number cards. You see these number cards, use 3 of the number cards to make this calculation correct. So, it is 16, right. So, 16 can be splitted into 4 times 4, right. So, then this 4, if I write 4 here, so this 4 should be splitted, like I can write it 1 plus 3, right. This is how you should work, 3 plus 1 then times 4. I think we cannot do that because we need to be looking for BODMAS. If I do here 4 times 3, 12 plus 1, it makes it it makes it 13. So, this is not going to work. So, let us see what else we can do. So, if I take here, let us say 2 times 18. 2 times 18 is 2 times 8 is 16. So, yeah, we can put 2 here, then 8 can be written as 1. Okay, no, we do not have this number here, sorry guys. I think I am missing some information. We have to limit our calculation. 5 cannot come here, right. 5 plus, if I take 5 here, no. So, 16 is 4 times 3 is 12. If I take 4 times 3 is 12, 12 plus 4 should be 16. If we take 1 and 2, 1 times 2 8, 3 times 2 6, 5 plus it should be 11, nope. 2 times 4 is 8 and 5. No, I think we have to go for that one again. It is going to be 1, 3 and 4, right. So, let me know in the comment section if you get any other answer. Number 32, here we have, here is the picture of the pattern. It contains 4 identical circles and 3 identical crosses. Side of the pattern is 15. Calculate the diameter of the circle. So, if you see, we have these circles here, 1, 2 and this is also the same. So, this circle, this part is divided into 3 sections, right, 5, 5 and 5. So, that means this is the diameter, right. So, diameter is 5 centimeters. Number 33, Pere draws triangle A on a coordinate grid. He translates triangle A to triangle B. Write the number to complete the sentence. Pere translates triangle A, dash squares right and dash squares down. If I take this point and this point, let us see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares right you can see, and 1, 2, 3, 3 squares down, 5 and 3. Number 34, here is the grid of 1 centimeter square. Draw on a grid the right angle triangle that has an area of 8 centimeter. So, area of 8, we know that the area is half times base times height. equals to 8, right? So base times height is going to be 16. So we should have like base and height accordingly, that gives us 16. So it can be 4 and 4, it can be 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and 4, like this, right? So you can have another 1 time 8 also, another triangle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like this. You may have another answer, right? So I hope you guys understood everything. Let me know in the comment section how do you like the video, and those who have done this